students, in this video we'll discuss how to evaluate double integrations and what type of double integrations are possible with us. Let me consider first double integration of the type 1. Integration from, if both the limits are constants, a to b, c to d, some f of xy, dx, dy if it is there, then both the limits will be considered as constants if they are not the functions of each other. In such cases, I can just, they are represented, first you have to integrate with respect to x first, then with respect to y. To make it easy, I will rewrite like this. Integration, first we are integrating inside integrations and then outside integrations. The inside integration is with respect to x. Therefore, I will take these limits as x equal to c to x equal to d f of xy dx. This one will integrate first with respect to x. Then after that, whatever the answer is coming, that by keeping y constant. Okay, then we'll integrate with respect to y. That is from y equal to a to y equal to b by keeping y constant. And then you are going to simplify that. One simple example I will consider for this one. Example, integration from x equal to, sorry, I will not take particular this one, 1 to or 0 to 1, and this one as 1 to 2, x square plus y square into dy dx I will choose. Here in this case, first you have to integrate with respect to y only, because dy is inside integration. While rewriting this one, I will write this one as inside integration is with respect to y. Therefore, outside integration will become x. X equal to 0 to x equal to 1, and this will become y equal to 1 to y equal to 2, and then x square plus y square into dy. I'll put one bracket so that this one should be integrated first, then with respect to x. So to integrate this one, what you are doing here, y to be treated, y should be with respect to y integrating, and x to be treated as a constant. Therefore, integration from x equal to 0 to 1 I will keep as it is. Integration of x square is constant now because we are integrating with respect to y. Therefore, x square into y plus integration of y square with respect to y you are doing. Therefore, it is y cube divided by 3 between the limits y equal to 1 to y equal to 2, y equal to 1 to y equal to 2 into dx. Now you have to substitute for the limits y, upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore, integration from x equal to 0 to 1 as it is. Put the bracket again. Upper limit for y will substitute x square into y plus y cube. Sorry, y is replaced by 2. Here also 2 cube divided by 3 minus lower limit y, x square into 1 plus 1 cube divided by 3 into dx. Simplify this first and then we can integrate. X equal to 0 to 1, this is 2x square plus 8 divided by 3 minus x square plus 1, sorry, it will become also minus, due to this minus 1 by 3 into dx. Let me simplify it further and then integration. Integration from 0 to 1, then it is 2x cube minus x cube. It will become x cube plus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 will become 7 by 3. This is to be integrated with respect to x now. Okay, this is integration of x cube will become, sorry, it is x square. Okay, 2x square minus x square will become x square. Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 plus 7 by 3 is constant now, 7 by 3 into x. This is between the limits 0 to x equal to 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. Again substitute x equal to 1 first. 1 cube divided by 3 plus 7 by 3 into 1 upper limit minus lower limit x 0 cube divided by 3 plus 7 by 3 into 0. Therefore, what I am going to get? 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Therefore, it is nothing but 8 divided by 3 is my final answer. This is how to evaluate whenever the limits, both the limits are constants. If both the limits are constants, then you are to integrate first with respect to inside and then with respect to outside. Like that, one more example I would like to solve here for your reference. Okay, another example I will solve here on the limits as a constants only. Integration from 0 to 1 and integration from 3 to 2, and a function I will choose it as, instead of plus I will choose it as xy into dx dy. Now you can observe here the limits are also both are constants, and here you can observe dx into dy is there. In the previous example it was dy dx, therefore first you are integrating with respect to y, but now here it is dx dy and the limits are also constant, therefore first you have to integrate with respect to x only. Therefore these limits will become with respect to x. What I will choose here, right here now, y equal to 0 to 1 and inside limit will become x equal to 3 to 2 and it is xy into dx. I will put them as a bracket into dy later. Therefore integration now first with respect to x by keeping y constant there, y equal to 0 to 1, integration of x into y with respect to x, we are keeping y constant, therefore y as it is, then integration of x will become x square divided by 2 between the limits x equal to 2 to 3 into dy, also I will continue as it is. Now integration from y equal to 0 to 1, y I have to substitute x values, upper limit and lower limit, y as it is, upper limit for y by 2 also I can take outside, and upper limit 3 square minus 2 square, because it is x value I am substituting 3 and x equal to 3 minus into dy. Simplify this. What I am going to get here? 3 square is 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 by 2 I will write outside. Integration from y equal to 0 to 1 and it is y into dy. Y is remaining still because it is not yet integrated. Now integrate with respect to y. 5 by 2 is constant outside because of this one. 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 divided by 2 I am taken outside. Therefore now integration of y is becomes y square by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. 5 by 2 as it is, upper limit 1 square by 2 minus 0 square by 2, but it is again 1 by 2. Therefore my final answer will become 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is the double integration of how to evaluate this. Like this, another 2 more type of differentiation integrations we'll discuss in my next videos.